Okay, and just a side question really briefly. What exactly is an AWS hyperscaler?
Okay, so AWS is Amazon Web Services. So it's an hyperscaler. What I mean by that is you can actually use their AWS model to host your solution. SAP S/4HANA has been hosted and it is administered by AWS. But of course, man has to pay for that service, but they don't need to do anything in-house. Everything is done on AWS, and hyperscaler is a term used for any cloud hosting company.
And is cloud becoming more popular with SAP rollouts? Because I've heard for a couple of years that people, when it comes, they don't like to mess around with production and like to keep it in-house. Is that still a thing, or is the technology starting to improve more and more as the years go on?
Yes, like every technology, so the cloud solution, cloud computing is also becoming more and more popular. For many years, a lot of big companies, a lot of companies were even hesitant to go on cloud. Basically, they always wanted to keep everything in-house. But now, as the years pass by, all these different cloud computing solutions are becoming more and more popular. The on-premise solution, the name on-premise is no longer being used. When I say it's no longer being used, it's slowly being changed into a cloud solution. Any system that they are looking at, now they are looking at a hyperscaler to see if they are able to host it for them.
And again, in layman terms, so hyperscale, is that supposed to signify something very specific, a new generation of tech, maybe?
Hyperscaler is a term used for companies that are hosting systems, right? They are basically providers for hosting the not only SAP but other solutions too. And there are different companies. For example, Amazon is one, Google Cloud is another one, even Alibaba, Microsoft Azure. So there are different hosting providers, and they're all called hyperscalers. And like every other company, there are always pros and cons going with one over the other. And Volkswagen Truck and Bus Company, they decided to use AWS.
So they decided to use it with the S4 rollout. So they didn't have a
Correct.
hyperscaler before. Okay.
That is correct. They did not have it before, and they wanted to try that AWS hosting along with this S4HANA. So this being a pilot project or the proof of concept, it not only proved that S4HANA is the right solution for them, it also proved to them that they can do a hosting with the help of a hyperscaler. So they really don't have to have everything done in-house. It can be done on a cloud. And it became a very successful project. And using this technology, now they are going into other locations like Brazil and Germany.
That's fantastic. And just out of curiosity, was this one of D4M's first cloud-based projects?
This was one of the first ones, and we were extremely successful in that. So the client is very happy about it, and D4M obviously is also equally happy.
And have you used this new cloud-based experience on other projects as well?
Yes, we have used it in other projects, and all the projects that I can think of, everything has gone through successfully.